have BLACKBERRY Z10 with activated password protection, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device and how to bypass and remove password or other screen lock method on the following smartphone. So at the very beginning, let's open the enter device password screen, and here you have to start inputting the incorrect password. So you have to do it 10 times. Let me show you. Keep inputting the incorrect password. Alright. As you can see, the first warning pops up. So you have entered an incorrect password 5 times. After 10 unsuccessful attempts, your device data will be erased. So that's what we need. We would like to erase all personal data to accomplish the hard reset operation. So let's now enter the BLACKBERRY. This is the security password that you have to enter to go next. So let's enter the BLACKBERRY. Alright, tap OK, and let's keep inputting the incorrect password. The data on your device will be erased on the next failed attempt. We know that. Let's tap OK. Let's enter the BLACKBERRY again. Alright, tap OK, and let's enter the incorrect password one more time. Tap OK a couple of times, just wait. And the BLACKBERRY Z10 is performing the hard reset right now, so the phone is erasing all personal data, customized settings and installed apps. So right now you have to wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Let's just wait until the welcome panel pops up. The whole process is long, so you have to be patient. As you can see, the security wipes of the hard reset operation is completed because the device is switched off. So now let's press power key to turn back on the BlackBerry. Keep holding power key. Now the BlackBerry is turning on. Let's wait a few minutes until the device shows you the welcome panel. The first startup process after the hard reset operation may take a little bit longer than usual one, so you have to be patient. Excellent. As you can see, the BLACKBERRY Z10 is loading the available languages that you will be able to use on the following device. So it means that the full hard reset process is done. You may also observe that there is no pattern or a password protection. So basically you just remove the password from the device and you can activate your BlackBerry without the password. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.